Yes, I'm here. Just say the word.
Where are we with the Myntra designs? और टीम के साथ मीटिंग सेटअप होगी? I need these designs approved ASAP if we are going to meet this deadline, and we are going to meet it. Okay?
Listen, those are too many words.
और एक भी अच्छी बात नहीं बोलती. वैसे मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन भेज दिया है. देखा तुमने?
Yeah, I saw it.
And?
There's too many ruffles, okay? They're not working for me. Neither are the pleats and the patchwork. I mean, I need something that's a little more ramp.
Listen, chill.
हम लोग बाहर चलते हैं कहीं, थोड़ा ड्रिंकिंग पीते हैं और let's discuss over drink.
Listen, you are young and single. No, I'm hoping you're single, considering you spend all your time here.
Yeah, I'm a loser, okay? But I keep my professional and personal life separate. But thanks. तुम जाओ, enjoy करो, have a drink. I'm gonna finish our work.
Okay. Bye. Good luck.
I'm still here. Thank you.
Ron, you're gonna lose. You can't lose it. Hey, babe. What a match! Yeah! Shit! Whoa! There you go. Woohoo! There you go.
I hope you know he's not the real Gaurav from Going Raw.
Yeah, actually I'm the fake one. क्या करता मैं तेरे बिना?
You'd be late. Hey, listen, this place isn't bad, huh? काफी अच्छी.
Right? You see that place over there? That's exactly where I'm gonna perform.
You won the Indian challenge.
It's not that bad, right?
No.
You're glad you came, right?
Yeah.
क्यों रोती है इतना लाइक?
यार वो प्रिंटेड की इंक खत्म हो गई और मुझे डिजाइन्स भेजने दे because my designs are heading this season's evolution trend.
That's very deep.
है ना?
Yeah. You're so much nicer when you like your clothes, you know that?
I'm always nice to you. Okay, stop it.
Well, that depends how you describe always. Anyway, I called you drinks. Yeah. So, how are you coping up with your Raghav's Brexit?
Don't look at me like that.
I'm just asking, yaar.
I'm fine.
Are you?
Yeah. मुझे पता था कि वो लंदन वापस जा रहा है, so I'm mentally prepared.
So, have you deleted his number?
मैं ड्रंक डायल नहीं करती हूँ.
Okay, cool. Give his number to me then.
क्यों? तुम्हें क्यों चाहिए?
I like that guy, yaar. He's a nice guy. London में है. He knows a lot of people. I'll meet
तुम
him.
मेरे दोस्त हो, तुम उसके साथ hang out नहीं कर सकते हो.
Why? ये क्या बात हुई यार?
End of discussion.
अरे?
He's my ex, yeah.
So?
You can't do this.
Fine, woman.
Damn it. यही तो मोमेंट था जब मुझे we were waiting for this यार. Oh God, it was such an awesome match.
कार पर भी awesome था.
देवा, are you serious? तुम्हारी वजह से वो गए हैं ना, right?
तुमने नोटिस भी किया था कि मैं घर पे थी कि नहीं?
How does that matter? तुम फुटबॉल देखती हो?
फर्क पड़ता है क्योंकि I was in the kitchen cleaning after you and your friends.
Oh, wow. This is such a classic, Deva. It's fantastic just because I'm enjoying my evening. Happy watching this match and my friends are here. But you have to make sure this drama होना चाहिए. You can't sleep without it.
देव, मैं सुबह से irritating meetings में थी और जब मैं घर आती हूँ, I just want to relax. I don't want to take care of you and your friends and take care of this house or do anything. So don't even talk to me about drama.
What should I do? You want me to keep the cushions here? Yeah.
Please, don't
Also
do
here?
anything.
Yeah.
Don't do anything.
Something else? Can I watch my match now? Thank you so much.
Doing that anyway.
अच्छा, do you ever wonder what happened to 2008 batch? Like कहाँ हैं, कैसे हैं?
Yeah, I think about them every day.
Really?
No.
Okay, so this might interest you. Open? Yes. No. Maybe.
No.
Nota. Yeah.
मैं क्यों जाऊंगी? And who goes to these things?
I do.
हाँ, तुम तो बहुत cool हो.
And you also. And you will thank me in a while. Of course. Yes, we're done.
तुमने ग्रुप बनाया? You added me to the group?
I love you too.
Delete me.
Of course.
There's a 10-year school reunion next month. Dave? 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 Dave?
अब मैंने क्या किया?
कुछ नहीं. मैं तुमसे बात कर रही हूँ. Anyway, there's a reunion next month.
पता है, ग्रुप में लिखा है.
ग्रुप? कौन सा ग्रुप?
Here. तुम्हारा फोन का?
चार्जिंग पे. जाना है?
मुझे जाना है.
Thank you so much for coming with me, G. I would have forgotten this file only.
It's okay. By the way, Pia's in, and so is Sam. And that Diptanshu is out. So happy. Never liked him. Do you think that Pia still has those? वैसे उम्र के साथ बढ़ते हैं क्या? Just say yes ना.
बढ़ते हैं शायद.
अरे, I'm talking about the group reunion.
No, मैं नहीं आ रही stupid reunion.
It's not stupid.
Yes, it is.
It's not. Dating Raghav has just made you this uptight person, man.
Hey.
अरे यार 10 सालों से नहीं मिली है यार तू इन लोगों से. I mean, it'll be fun na to see if people have changed or not at all. Just give me a favor, yeah. Just give it a thought, please.
Gee, if I wanted to see somebody from school, I would have by now. And everyone who I want in my life is already in it. Like you.
Thanks, but that's not true. देख मैं तेरे को बोलूँगा तो मानेगी तो है नहीं. But let me tell you something that you still miss Deva. Okay?
No. काफी टाइम से मैंने उसके बारे में सोचा ही नहीं. She doesn't miss me.
वो आर्या वाला अचार कहाँ है?
उस पे फंगस पड़ा था, तुमने फेंक दिया.
और क्या क्या फेंका तुमने? मेरा इलेक्ट्रिक शेवर भी मिसिंग है.
वो स्पॉइल हो गया था. तुम्हें शॉक लगता.
तुम्हारे तानों से तो आज तक शौक नहीं लगा, है ना?
You know, if you didn't insist on being this man child, तो मेरी ताने सुनने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती.
हाँ, पता है मुझे. I know all this lecture.
अगर सब कुछ पता है तो बदलने की कोशिश तो कर सकते हो.
What do you mean?
मतलब मैं तंग आ चुकी हूँ तुम्हारी चाइल्डिश बिहेवियर से. मेरी अपनी खुद की जिंदगी है and I'd really like to go and live it, but I'm out.
One minute. I didn't ask you to do that. तुम ये खुद कर रही हो. और in fact, better होगा कि तुम ये ना करो.
Yeah, because it's a perfect life, no? तुम काम पे नहीं जाते, घर बैठते हो, पीते हो. What
ये
is
घर
stupid?
मेरा भी है.
4 महीने से मैं रेंट पे कर रही हूँ.
I'm chasing my dream और वक्त लगता है उसमें. तुम्हें कैसे पता होगा? तुम्हारे तो कोई ड्रीम्स ही नहीं है. You're living your comfortable life.
Dave, I did, and you know it. फिर हमारी शादी हो गई, and then life happened. पर मुझे पता था कि I have responsibilities, and we work together as a team. I know that we are us, and we were never just I.
Was I supposed to be finished?
Oh, shut up.
चलिए, recall करते हैं. We met in the school, we started dating, and then suddenly we got married because that was your right time. Then you wanted to move to US because that was your right time, and you wanted to do a family planning because that was your bloody right time. कभी तुमने ये सोचा कि वो मेरा right time है या नहीं है?
Your right time. 7 साल के बाद तुम शादी भी नहीं करना चाहते थे. You want me to keep waiting around for you till you figured out what your right time was?
I wish I had spent those years in chasing my dreams. I would have really
You
made
don't know that, Dave.
You know everything, isn't
Yeah,
it?
I do.
Wow. So, cushions कहाँ पर रखने? You know very well कि ये यहाँ पर रखा जाएगा because that's how you planned it. Wine glasses has to be clean. राइट? बेडशीट साफ होनी चाहिए, क्रिस्प होनी चाहिए, उसके ऊपर बिल्कुल क्रीज नहीं होनी चाहिए. As per your plan. 25 में हम शादी कर लेंगे because that's how you planned it. 29 में हम फैमिली प्लानिंग करेंगे. You know what? Hell with you and your planning. सारी जिंदगी तुमने प्लानिंग में निकाल दी. Have you ever realized? Have you ever lived those moments with me?
I enjoyed being with you, Dev. I enjoyed being married to you. I enjoyed doing up this house. हम हमेशा इसी बात पे क्यों आ जाते हैं?
Because all I wanted to watch, enjoy my match with my friends and my beer.
Of course.
Hello.
ये जो मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं ना तुम्हारे रियूनियन के ग्रुप पे, दैट्स व्हाई आई कॉल्ड. देवा आ रही है क्या?
Dave said yes, so I guess yes. Hang on. Oh, good lord. Listen, Deva just replied. She's coming.
ओके, गुड नाइट.
Good morning.
Good morning.
8:30 बज रहे हैं. Why don't you take a shower? I already put the breakfast on.
No, it's fine. I'm okay.
You're drank quite a bit. Might be nice if you had something.
It's all right. Thank you.
Okay, let me just cut to the chase. We're going to the reunion anyway. People are expecting us. तो मैं सोच रही थी कि जो यहाँ पे हो रहा है वहाँ पे ना हो. Can we please be nice to each other? No name calling, no sarcasm. Let's just be nice.
ये तुम्हारे लिए था या मेरे लिए?
हम दोनों के लिए.
Listen, Deva. I'll take my own time. Please.
Look, Dave, I hate saying this, but we used to be the perfect couple. I mean, people used to look up to us, and we were in love, and we got married. And I know we're hitting a rough patch, and it's just, if we go जैसे हम हैं लड़ रहे हैं उनके सामने, it's just, let's please just be.
End of the day, तुम्हें यही परवाह है कि वो लोग क्या सोचेंगे.
Okay, fine. Let's just be cordial to each other. Okay? Just that. Yeah.
पूछूं अब मैं क्या, ये हवा सब कह ही फुर्सत से मिलेंगे हम यार हम सभी। कैसी है ये जिंदगी, कहाँ लेके जा रही, जाना है मुझको भी एक बार फिर से वही।
जी कब निकलना है?